Welcome to the Black Girl's Guide to Outer Spaces. It's your girl Tiff B. First here, and on this week's episode, I'm going to show you how to create a complete and compact potty pack. So I'll be real with you. I prefer to hike trails that either have a porta potty at the start of the trail or a visitor center where I know there's indoor plumbing, but not all trails are created equally. So to be honest, you are going to eventually have to do your business outdoors. So today I'm here to show you how to be prepared for when that situation happens. So here's what you're going to need to build your potty pack. You're going to need a storage bag, preferably something with multiple compartments. You're going to need Ziplock bags. You're going to need disposable gloves. You're going to need toilet paper and or flushable wipes. You're going to need a reusable bag to store your things in. And you're going to need either hand sanitizer or antibacterial wipes, but something to clean up after your do is done. So for the top section, I like to add my antibacterial wipes. This is what I prefer to wipe my hands with, but if you're trying to be fast about it, you can also use some hand sanitizer. In the middle section, I like to add some flushable wipes. Now, what's nice about these is that, one, it cleans your booty much more effectively, in my opinion, than toilet paper. So this is my preference over toilet paper, but go for what you know. And then I like to also use a glove. What's nice about this is that you can wipe your business and then wrap the wipe up inside of it and be done. So I just take a couple of gloves with me, pack them inside right next to the wipes so that everything that I need when I actually go is accessible. Then for the middle compartment, this is going to be the biggest space for this bag. I really do love this bag. I found it on Amazon, made by Deep Pocket Travel. It's nice. It has these hooks on the top. I even added a light, and I added a little carabiner to attach it to things. So really lovely bag. On the inside, it has several different sections. What I recommend putting in here is your trowel or mini shovel, or as you see, I'm a little bootleg. I'm using a measuring cup. You may want something a little sturdier for harder packed dirt. Then I have my TP, toilet paper. I don't usually bring this much because, again, I like to use wipes, but there is space for it if it is something you're going to be bringing. And then what's nice is you have these little areas on the side that you can stuff small containers, and what I like to put inside of them is bug spray, because you can never have too much bug spray. And then my homemade sunscreen oil. If you haven't seen my video on how to make your own sunscreen oil, definitely check that out. And then in the front pocket is where I put a nice canvas bag. You can put any small bag. This is what I like to use when I'm actually going to the bathroom. So if I'm with a group of people, it's nice because I don't have to take my backpack, my potty pack. I can just grab what I need, whether I'm doing number 1 or number 2. So you can take that, you can throw in your dirty glove inside of it or whatever, and then when you get home, wash it with your hiking clothes. So this fits nicely in the front pocket here. And you can use a smaller bag or something that's not necessarily made of cloth, but preferably not plastic bags because the environment, you know. There's one final space here in the back that you can use for miscellaneous items. I put things like my small first aid kit if I'm going on really short hikes, and you know, some feminine products, whatever feminine product of your choice that you may or may not need. You can add lotion or anything else in there that you may think is beneficial. And then you're good in the woods. I hope you learned something. I hope this helps you on your outdoor journey. Please like and comment below and let me know, did you try this pack? Did you create your own custom outdoor pack? Let me see. Feel free to hashtag outer spaces and let me see what your outdoor potty pack is looking like. And be safe out in these woods. It's your girl Tiff B. First here with the Black Girl's Guide to Outer Spaces. We'll see you next time.